RKF Engineering Services recently won the ACRA award in the category of long-term performance for their project 30 years of cathodic protection within a major reinforced concrete wharf, Port Hedland, Western Australia. This 1981 to 2018 project, involving significant research, produced a multifaceted repair including cathodic protection (CP) within an isolated 650 by 25 metre wharf deck in Port Hedland. The aim was to address early age failure and associated business interruption risk within standard concrete repairs. In the first 20 years after construction, the deck experienced a six-fold exponential increase in chloride ion-induced reinforcement corrosion-initiated damage. 30 years after completion of structural repairs, 10,000 metre square and ICCP 20,000 metre square has been no damage in any area covered by ICCP. These works were completed without unplanned disruption to ship loading, on time and under budget.